Hello and welcome back to Vapor Cycles for the 5th Sunday Sing. Gosh, how the time flies. First up, Velo Berlin announced new dates for the 2021 bike show, which are 2nd and 3rd of October. I hope to see you all there. I have disassembled version 2 frame. Was thinking about fixing it at first, but I don't really see a way of doing this without spoiling the original design. And to me, it has more sentimental value as the original. So, the version 2 frame has joined version 1 as a trophy on display here in my workshop, and I will of course bring both of them with me to Velo Berlin. Version 3 frame design was completed a long while ago, and I have been playing around with simulations and fine touches, such as built-in threaded inserts in the rear for mounting fenders, etc. Also on version 3 front, I have been refining the production process ahead of designing the molds. You may have seen some close-ups of the samples on Instagram. I have a sample here also as a glimpse of the finish I planned for version 3. And finally, the video I was making for the advanced shape molding was delayed again. My aim here is to give all the makers and tinkerers out there with a 3D printer a way to make functional parts from carbon fiber with an easy process. As you may have seen on Instagram post already, the piece I made had trapped air issues and it's not looking too hot. I put it in a vacuum chamber to give it a nice look for the YouTube thumbnail, but that was a bad idea at the late stage, as the bubbles still in the piece expanded under vacuum and stayed that way. I have a new copy of the mold printed and ready. Also made a test, as is the custom here in Vapor HQ, on how to get the majority of the air bubbles out without using vacuum. Fingers crossed the process will work out and the video will finally land for your viewing pleasure. Until then, have a great couple of weeks everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.